I'm going to show you how to make this gardenia kit, which is part of our paper flower garden series. So let's get started. You'll need your gardenia kit, a low temperature hot glue gun with low temperature glue, and you'll also need some scissors. I like to use a silicone mat when I'm working with a hot glue gun. In the back of your kit, you'll find a sheet of instructions, and you can use these along with the video. So there are 5 flowers in this kit, and each page is numbered. You'll need one of each of the numbers. We also have leaves, and we have a small and a large leaf in 2 different colors. With the edge of your scissors, very gently curl each of the petals, and I'm curling them one direction first, just on this first edge, and then I'll turn it around and curl it the other direction. Go ahead and do that to all of your petals. For the 4 sets of larger petals, because gardenias flow different directions, I'll curl in one direction, and then a few of the petals I'll go the opposite direction and maybe create a little bit of shape that way. You want it to be somewhat random. So with my smallest piece, I'm going to place the petals in a rotation. So you can see I'm spiraling them, and I'm going to tuck that one right inside. It's completely in a spiral. Hold the petals with this hand and rotate it with this hand, and then I'm going to gently press with my nail these little corners because we want it to be a little bit rounder on the bottom. I'll set this down and do this again with the second one, and you'll want to go in the same rotation. So my right petal's overlapping my left one. You could go either way, but just make them the same. Again, create the spiral. Try to get it as flat as possible. So before I crush them, I'll open that back up, put some glue on the bottom, and place the center. Then I'll reclose them and very, very gently crush the corners. Add some glue onto that and place that onto the number 3. Number 4, I'm going to rotate. Again, rotate. You can see I'm placing that petal between those 2. And then finally the 6th between those. Once this is cooled and in place, I'll gently take the petals with my fingers and just bring them upward. You can see there's some score lines on this leaf. I'll fold it down the middle and just give it a little bit of shape, and there's a finished flower. Okay? Now, if you want to add a stem, take your wire, bend it at a 45-degree angle, place it into the back, then I'm going to add the leaves. Simply cover the stem with floral tape. With the floral tape, just gently stretch and pull it to activate it. Wrap it at an angle as you go down the stem. And there you go.